As you can see, I'm in a very small room and I'm by myself. Late last night I heard some shit going around, knocking on things. It's very creepy, and look, no one's in here with me. Nobody. It's just me. And this is a mobile phone. I do not know how to use editing, so I can't edit. So think whatever you want. Is there anyone in here? Knock once. Legs are shaking. Seriously. Alright, I'm out. So.